Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Dr. Dawn Moore, also known as the Tongue Doctor. I am a speech-language pathologist and a certified orofacial myologist. A lot of people probably know what a speech-language pathologist is. You might have heard the term SLP or speech therapist, but many people don't know what a certified orofacial myologist does. And I work in the realm of orofacial myology, which is a specialty field that was born out of dentistry and is also a specialty field of speech-language pathology. And in this area, we look at resting postures. What are resting postures? Those are the postures of the muscles that are supposed to happen in the face that unfortunately are just not happening for a lot of people, especially children these days. And so these resting postures include lips closed, breathing through the nose, tongue resting on the roof of the mouth, and no movement on the subconscious swallow. And so the therapy that we use to help correct these issues is called myofunctional therapy. And this therapy will help children and adults correct these resting postures so that the muscles not only rest appropriately, but function correctly. Why is that important? Because these muscles and their resting postures and their function are what allow us to grow a nice, healthy face. And believe it or not, that's important because if we want to grow a face that has room for 32 teeth and a face that can breathe well and not be constricted in terms of muscle function or bone growth and affecting our airway, then we need to make sure that our resting postures are resting correctly and functioning and the muscles are functioning correctly. So that is what myofunctional therapy is all about. And we're going to talk a lot about that on this channel. We work with a lot of other professionals in this area. It's not just speech-language pathologists. As I said, it was born out of dentistry, and so we work with registered dental hygienists and dentists, orthodontists, oral surgeons, ENTs, physical therapists, occupational therapists, lactation consultants, massage therapists, craniosacral therapists. There's so many professions that have gotten into this area because we've realized from a holistic standpoint that if we can get the muscles of the face functioning the way that they're supposed to, we can grow a healthy face, we can grow a healthy airway, and that we will have good sleep. And we'll have room for 32 teeth, which would be amazing. Unfortunately, that's just not happening for too many of us at this point. The other audience that we're hoping to help is parents. And because parents need to know this information. I really wish when my children were younger that I knew more about this. And I learned, which is how most of us get here, I learned about it and was able to get my child help, but it wasn't without difficulty. And this was 12 years ago. Luckily, there are a lot more professionals helping people out there to get the services that they need through myofunctional therapy and corrective orthodontics. So there is a lot more help out there, but we also want to reach patients maybe that can benefit from this therapy as well. Myofunctional therapy is for children ages 4 and up. 4 can be young. Sometimes it just kind of depends on the child. But we do work with adults as well. Obviously, it's a little more difficult to work with adults because we are done growing, but there are things that we can do to help adults adopt normal resting postures as well. So we're happy that you're here. We're looking forward to growing with you in the Myo World and learning and educating and hopefully answering questions that may come up over time. We will share our links and our videos on our social media, and we also have a website at www.thetonguedoctor.com, and we have some videos on there that you can already watch, and we're looking forward to just getting some information out to the people that need to know it, which is pretty much anybody with a tongue. so please join us, and we're looking forward to working with everybody out there in the Myo World.